Hi, I'm David Johnson, your Seminole County property appraiser. Thinking of renovating your home? Maybe adding a pool or upgrading that old kitchen? Great. But before you start, it's important to understand how those renovations can affect your property taxes. When you pull a building permit, your local permitting office sends that information to our office. We review the permit and track the permit status through completion. We analyze the data, review digital aerial photography, and often conduct field inspections to verify the work has been completed. If the improvements add value, like increasing the square footage or enclosing a garage, we update your property record. That means your assessed value may go up, and you might see an increase in your property tax bill. Not all renovations affect taxes. Cosmetic updates like painting or new flooring, no impact. Structural improvements like bathroom addition or a pool, those do. If you have homestead exemption, remember, Florida's Save Our Home cap limits how much your assessed value can rise each year, unless it's a new addition. Those are added at the full value the year following completion. So before you build, check with us. We're here to help you understand what it means for your tax bill.